Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new video dedicated to the world of aviation. On May 15, 2023, at 7 p.m., a Cargolux Boeing 747-400F, LXOCV, successfully performed an emergency landing at Luxembourg Airport, averting any serious consequences. The cargo aircraft had departed from the same airport en route to Chicago, but encountered a technical issue shortly after takeoff. The landing gear malfunctioned, preventing it from retracting. In response, the crew made the decision to jettison a portion of the fuel in mid-flight in order to reduce the aircraft's weight for the impending landing. Upon returning to Luxembourg Airport, the aircraft executed a skillful landing. However, during the process, the right side of the landing gear became detached. Despite this, all occupants on board remained unharmed, and the landing was executed safely. The incident highlights the proficiency and composure of the flight crew in managing unexpected situations. The airline and aviation authorities will conduct a thorough investigation to determine the cause of the landing gear failure and prevent similar incidents in the future.